You might want to think twice before you tap the upload to Instagram button on your next photo. Safia Kambalia now with the photo sharing app's new guidelines and what those changes mean for you.
With all the privacy laws that are implemented everywhere else, I just don't understand how this type of thing could even be allowed.
Your pictures won't be sold off, but your information on Instagram, now owned by Facebook, could be shared with advertisers. They're altering their terms of service, and that has photo bugs ready to snap.
What am I putting up? I've got to be careful now.
This new clause is set to take effect mid-January, and it's not just your pictures that'll be up for grabs. Say cheese.
Content like your username, the comments you have, whether you like photos.
Username, IP address, that kind of stuff?
All of that information, even locations, services.
Advertisers would pay Facebook to learn more about you to display relevant ads on your profile like Facebook already does.
I think I'm going to be getting off Instagram. I'm not on Facebook because of the same reasons.
If other people, like organizations, are going to profit off of like the little people, that's kind of unfair.
There's no opt-out clause, and the only thing you can do to keep your information personal is delete posts, set your account to private, or stop using Instagram. Many are expressing outrage on social media.
A lot of people are like, I'm deleting my account right now.
Photo sharing site Instagram did put out a statement this evening saying they've heard all the backlash and will not be selling your photos, but will experiment with new ways of advertising and will get feedback on the new terms from you.
They're just trying to monetize on everything they do now, right? So, I mean, it's unfortunate because the users are the ones that are going to get gypped at the end.
And Facebook bought Instagram this past year, then boasted over 30 million users. And a lot of experts say that since this latest move, other photo sharing sites like the Open Photo Project and Flickr could see a boost in users. In our Citytv building, Yonge and Dundas, Safia Kambalia, City News.
Toronto wasn't built in a day. This is City TV, everywhere.